Barbershop conversation, guys. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. So I'm on the phone with the up and coming Mr. Darwin Price Jr. Man, how you feel, King?
I'm feeling good, man. Ready to fight. Less than 2 weeks away. Focused, motivated, ready to get this win and move on to the next.
Yeah, you just had a media day, August 10th, man. How did that turn out for you?
Oh man, it was a big turnout. You know what I mean? Like I'm from St. Louis, but I've been out in Houston for like 5 years, and I get a lot of love in Houston. Over 100 people showed up. It was a good turnout. It was a good event. I appreciate all the love and support that I get from the city of Houston. So I was happy with the turnout.
Man, it seemed like Texas is becoming a hotbed for boxing, man. Errol Spencer's fighting Sean Porter. You fight at 140. You just had a unification bout down in Dallas. You're there. The Charlo brothers are there. The Ortiz kid just knocked out Orozco this past Saturday. Man, why is boxing gotten so good down there? Is it Whataburger?
No, man, it's hot right now. Houston has a lot of people moving here. Shit is rising. It's a hot city, man. It's a city full of opportunities and good people. You know, It's a city full of hustlers, man. So it's a place that a lot of people want to be.
Okay. Now, when I asked you to interview, I was like, he went to Grambling State, probably was a great athlete. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. I said, when I researched you, I was like, got a college degree, went to Grambling State. Why boxing?
Man, because I feel like it was my way to get that big lump sum of money, man. You know what I'm saying? So that big lump sum of money, I had the talent. I was good at it. I'm winning. It's my way of getting that big lump sum, that big check to invest in my business, and then build my business from there. And I like boxing. You know, it's a good workout. Something I like to do. Something I love to do, actually. I just got the degree just to be safe. You know what I'm saying? Just in case boxing don't fall through.
What did you get your degree in?
I got my degree in kinesiology.
So prior to boxing, what were your goals, and how old were you when you got into boxing?
Man, I was 15 when I started fighting, and I went off to college at like 17, almost 18 years old. I went off to college, but within that like 3.5 year span, I had like 120 fights. I was fighting like twice a week. Every weekend, I was going to little local tournaments and stuff. You know, ringside, everything. Like I went to the Junior Golden Gloves and made it to finals. I went to the Golden Glove Nationals in 2007, made it to finals, sponsored out my league. I lost them on points, but I really beat him. But you know how that go. I ain't gonna be one of those fighters. But yeah, I mean, dude, I fought a lot of fights, man. I fought a lot of people, and I went off to college. I decided to go off to college because I had a daughter at 17. So I had to be safe, man. You know what I'm saying? Boxing ain't promised for everybody. So I had to be safe. I had to go get that education, get that degree, so I got something to fall back on because I had a little girl at a young age, and I had to make sure I'm able to provide for them if all, you know.
What's the difference between like going the college route and going like the boxing route, would you say?
Man, you're a little bit behind. I'm a little bit behind because I took 4 years off and went to college. Even though I got the degree, I'm taking less punishment, which it was like a kind of like a little off time for me to get my body right, let my body heal up. And I was still running track. I had a 4-ride scholarship to Grambling for track and field in cross country. Okay. So I was still an athlete. But it just gave me, it kind of put me behind a little bit in the boxing world because I disappeared for 4 to 5 years. And now I'm playing catch up. A lot of people didn't know who I was, but now I'm finally building my name back up and getting a lot of exposure.
What event did you run in track?
I ran the 800, the mile, the 4x4 sometimes. But I was an 800-mile guy, and I ran cross country, and I ran like 2 miles sometimes.
That's funny because when I looked at you post, I'm like, how is he so lean? Like, your ass is mad lean. I'm like, man, I got to get back in the gym, nigga. I got to get back in the gym. Man, you super lean, dog, for your size, man. You mad lean.
Just working hard, man. Running and working hard and doing a lot of cardio and stuff.
Now,
I try to eat right for the most part, too. So.
Okay. Now, how we met was actually my trainer, Mariel. He met you and referred you to me, but you were in camp with Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah, Yes, I was in camp with Manny Pacquiao. I went out there to camp with his last week of sparring for Manny Pacquiao. So,
how was it? How many rounds you do with him? Would you say?
man, just a few, just a couple. Man, I ain't do a whole lot, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Because Manny Pacquiao been superstitious, so he ain't want to switch stuff up too much. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So I got to work with him just a few rounds, and man, he was a good dude, man. It was a good opportunity to be out there, a lot of exposure. I was just appreciative to be around a legend like that, man. A real humble fighter, man. Mm-hmm. So I appreciated being around him and his people. They showed me a lot of love.
Mm-hmm. What is it in Manny Pacquiao that the average person can't see since you've had some intimate time with him?
Man, he a hard worker, man. He a hard worker, man. He work hard every day. Consistent with it, and he work hard every day. Like, every day he work hard, man. Every day he wake up, he work hard. There ain't no excuses, man. No matter if he's sore or anything, he do it. He get it done.
Now, when you went to fight night and you saw Manny Pacquiao fight, you obviously can get a feel as to what he's going to do next. How did you feel Keith Thurman responded to Manny Pacquiao?
I actually didn't get a chance to go. I didn't get a chance to go out to the fight because I flew back to Houston before they went to the fight because I had to get focused. I had to get back to training camp, but I did watch the fight. And I felt like Manny Pacquiao really freaking exposed Thurman, man. I mean, I expected a little bit more from Thurman. I take my hat off to Thurman still. He's a fighter. I respect all fighters. But, like, man, I don't know, man. Manny did his thing, man. He really proves a lot of people wrong, man. Like, being the age he is, like, he proved a lot of people wrong. I mean, he did his thing. Like, for real, he's not legendary in boxing for no reason. He showed everybody that.
Now, moving forward with Manny, before we get back into you, what should be Manny's next step? Should he fight your Texas brethren, Earl Spence, assuming he beats Sean Porter, or should he go fight someone else?
I think he should give my guy Earl Spence the opportunity, man. For real. I think he should give Earl Spence the opportunity. Definitely.
Who wins, Sean Porter or Earl Spence?
I like both fighters, man. But I'm gonna go with Earl Spence on this.
What kind of fight you think it'll be? Clean fight in terms of an easy victory for Earl Spence, or a dog fight, or a stoppage?
No, it's gonna be a dog. I feel like it's gonna be a dog fight. It's gonna be a dog fight. Sean Porter makes all his fights a dog fight. He's an awkward guy. He's a come at you type guy. He's awkward, man. So it's hard to look good against an opponent like Sean Porter. So Earl Smith's gonna have to work, and I believe he'll come out victorious. He follows his game plan that his coach gives him, and does what he's supposed to do in the ring. Keeps his composure, because Sean Porter is gonna try to get in his head too. So you got to keep his composure, stay calm, stay relaxed, and remember what he went in there to do, what he's going in there to do, so he can come out victorious.
Okay. Now I was just in Dallas for the Ramirez Hooker fight. Who did you pick in that fight, and how do you see the 140-pound division going with Taylor, Prograis, Hooker with the recent loss, Ramirez, and now Adrian Broner throws his name in the hat?
Man, I see me being that number one. That's what I see.
Say it.
Straight up. They know me. All of the fighters know me. I'm just waiting on my opportunity. I know it's a process. Waiting on my time. I see me at number one. I don't see nobody else. For real. I need that number one spot.
Who's the second best 140 guy, would you say?
I like Regis, man. Regis Prograis, pretty nice fighter, aggressive, strong. I like Adrian Broner too. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate Adrian Broner for the sport, man. We needed him for the sport, man. Like, for real, I feel like Adrian Broner, one of the fighters that brought a lot of noise back to boxing, man. And as crazy as people say he is, he brought a lot of attention and noise back to the world of boxing, man. So I take my hat off to him for that. I like Jose Ramirez, you know? I like Hooker, I like all of them, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm number one, man. I'm the number one 140 pounder. They gonna find it out real quick.
Who have you been in the ring with at one? Have you sparred any of them?
Regis, I sparred with Regis. I was supposed to spar Broner years ago, but I didn't. Easter, I sparred with who else I sparred with? Marcos Madonna, but he fought at 147. Sugar Shane, Joel Diaz. Who else? Man, I sparred a few people when I went to Cali. I sparred a dude named Thomas Delorme. I think he got a pretty nice name at 147.
Yeah.
haven't really sparred too many 140 pounds.
Okay. Now you're 14-0 with 7 knockouts. Why should you be anointed the number 1 spot? What gives you the edge over the boogeyman Regis Prograis, the unified champion Ramirez, and the comeback kid Hooker? Why should Darwin Price Jr. be number 1?
Because I can't be outworked, man. Can't nobody outwork me. Can't none of them outwork me. I'm standing on that. None of them gonna be able to get in that ring and outwork me. The only way they gonna be able to beat me is if they knock me out. Ain't none of them gonna be able to outwork me. I'm standing on it.
Now it says you're signed with Al Heyman. How was that? How did that work out for you?
Man, actually Ronnie Shields. I started off with Ronnie Shields, man, and Ronnie Shields, he ended up helping me get with Al Heyman, and that's how it happened. I came to Houston. My uncle brought me to Houston. He sent a few videos to Ronnie Shields. Ronnie Shields wanted to check me out. He liked me. I worked up under Ronnie Shields for a little bit, and he got me with Al Heyman.
Beautiful. And it's been good ever since.
Yeah, it's been good ever since, man. Just moving up, taking the fights I'm supposed to take, and staying focused. That's it. It's a grind, though. I ain't gonna lie about it. It's a grind, but hey, life a grind.
Define grind, because I know you listen to Nipsey Hussle, and I'm in Cali. So why you been grinding all your life,
work,
man?
Hard work, man. Hard work, sacrifices, man. Like everybody always see the glory of things, man. Dude, it's a lot of sacrifice, a lot of hard work, man. A lot of days that people don't see, man, don't realize, struggling. You know what I'm saying? A lot of days you battling your own mindset on whether or not you want to keep going and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm still here. I'm still undefeated. I'm still pushing. Still motivated, and I thank God for that. And I'm here, man. I'm ready to fight. Like
now, you're fighting August 20th. You said you're ready to fight. You're fighting August 24th against who are you fighting against? I forgot the kid's name. Aaron Herrera. Aaron Herrera.
Yeah.
How do you anticipate that fight going?
I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna be a smart fighter. Use my distance. Work my jab. I got one of the best jabs in the game. And I'm gonna attack that body early. Get him out of there. I'm gonna attack that body early.
Now you're actually fighting on TV too next Saturday too. You want the undercard of Brandon? Is that the Brandon Figueroa card?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so you're fighting on the undercard, and you're part of the TV portion, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. So we're gonna get a chance to see you. I'll make sure I'll double back and do a video about you next week so people can tune in. And do you think you need to be a little bit faster because you're 29 years old?
Yeah, of course. Of course. I feel like man, I'm straight, man. I mean, I did what I did, man. I fought a few people. I'm moving up to 10 rounders now. I do want to move a little bit faster, man. I'm about to be 30. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't want to do this forever. I want to do this till I'm 40 or 50, man. I'm ready to take on some big names, man. I'm ready to get some big opportunities. I'm ready to move forward, man. I do this to get to that number 1 spot. I ain't doing this just to play around, just to be a fighter, man. I'm doing this to get to that number 1 spot, to get that strap.
And I'll be the first to tell you happy birthday, King. Your birthday's tomorrow, right?
Hey, I really appreciate you. Yeah, it's tomorrow. I really appreciate you, man.
Yeah, all the time. And you're 5'11". Okay, now you're going to have to break this shit down for everybody. How the hell do you make 140?
Man, just freaking eating right. As long as I'm boxing, man, healthy eating going to be my lifestyle right now, man. So I can continue to make my weight. I can continue to feel good in my weight. I don't eat too much junk, man. I eat pretty clean. I do a lot of cardio. Cardio plays a big role in it, man. I got to make sure I do my cardio.
Define cardio, because fighters inspire fans. You know what I mean? Y'all inspire me because I be working my ass off. When I watch an Instagram video, you running and shit, I be like, okay, I can do a little bit more.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I do a lot of running.
How many miles you do basically a day, would you say?
Man, sometimes I do 5, 6, maybe even 7 if I'm feeling good. Maybe 3 some days my legs not feeling right. If my legs are a little tired, I might just hit a bike and do like a 15, 20 mile ride, maybe 30-mile ride. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. And some days I might even swim. Okay,
gotcha. Yeah. At what weight do you say, okay, I can't go above this amount of weight? Because you seem to be real disciplined because your abs are real like deep. You know what I mean? I'm not, pause, no homo for all the kids out there, but I'm just saying like, Yeah, you know what I mean? I don't want to come off that way, but you're extremely defined. So I know you're speaking, so you're going to speak to a lot of fighters. It's going to do a few thousand views. So I just want, like, do you cut off at like 155, 160? Hold up. All right, 155 is the highest I can go.
Like 152. I went up to 155 before, but like 151, 152, and I'm chilling. I might eat bad the week after my fight, and that's it. And then I'm back to it. You know what I'm saying? I'm back to the basics. You know what I mean?
Wow.
Back to
Damn. 152. Yeah. Dude, you mad disciplined, dog. Wow.
Yeah, for real, man.
Nah, you got 152 at 5'11". You and Robert Easter are freaks.
Like, yeah, people always like, man, you skinny. That's easy. No, it ain't easy, man. Just take discipline, man. You gotta apply yourself, man. You gotta put your mind through. You gotta get yourself in that zone.
Now, outside of boxing, you got a degree. You started a business, a nonprofit. You want to talk about that stuff? I think it's beautiful.
I started up a security company, man, where I provide. You know, I'm a fighter. You know what I'm saying? In the fight, you got to protect yourself at all times. So I figured, why not create a security company? You know what I mean? I used to work at a security company for like 4 years when I was young after college, and I figured, like, man, why not make a security company where people want to feel protected? Man, you got to be protected. You know what I'm saying? So I felt like that coincided with boxing. So I created a security company called Price Protection, and I provide security guards for commercial and real estate properties and stuff like that. Commercial and residential properties. That's what I do.
Gotcha.
Maybe even clubs sometimes. But I'm still in the process of building and getting more contracts. And also, I'm in the process of starting up a nonprofit to tackle obesity. You know, there's a lot of people out here dealing with obesity. I'm a pro fighter. I'm a person that does fitness, so I want to let the world know, and I want to let people know out here why fitness is important, why exercising is important, stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Dealing with the kids. You know, the kids coming up. I want to teach them the right nutrition, right way to exercise, and how to stay fit. You know, we don't teach that a lot to our kids, man. We got a lot of people out here that deal with being obese and they deal with getting bullied and all of that. You know what I'm saying? Because they're not happy with who they are. Then they go get these surgeries and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
When all of that can be avoided, man. You know.
What's the?
Just stay healthy.
What does the person that brings you into the Nevada Hall of Fame say about Darwin Price Jr.?
I'm an outgoing person. I'm a people's person. I try to bring good energy and motivation to everybody that I'm around. I support everybody I can, and just a well-rounded person, man. Like I want to see everybody succeed. You know what I'm saying? So I like to bring out good energy and good vibes around people. That's basically it for real.
What you listening to these days?
Man, I listen to all kind of stuff, man. Sometimes at night might be funny, but I listen to like just really chill stuff, like some jazz, some waves, or something. I just want to relax and free my mind. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I'm listening to I like Cowboy. It's this new guy named Cowboy. I like who else? I like Key Glax. I like Gucci. Man, I like a little bit of everybody, man. Like, to be honest with you, I'm a music kid. So because I produce music, I make beats as a hobby. Like, I don't sell them or nothing, but I produce beats.
Oh, really?
Like trap beats.
You got to link up with the Charlos. They do that too.
Yeah, I know. We've been in the studio together sometimes.
Oh, that's dope. Yeah.
We did all of that. Yeah. We used to kick it hard. Yeah.
So
that's about it for real.
Yeah, you got some. So what do you think you coming out to, or is it a big secret?
What I'm coming out to?
Yeah.
That's a big secret. Right? That's a big secret. Right? That was a secret right there.
How high do you want to go up in weight?
How high do I want to go up in weight?
Yeah, 54.
Probably 54, probably the highest. Like eventually.
Who's the best at 54? You think? Well, it's kind of a loaded question because I just asked you a minute ago. You cool with the Charlos? But
yeah. Man, I like Jamil Charlo. I definitely think he one of the top ones. You know what I'm saying? And I like Andrade too, man. Andrade pretty nice. At 154.
He's at 160 now. He's at 160 now.
Oh, he moved up to 160.
Yeah,
yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, Jamil Charlo at 154, man.
Okay.
I mean, for real. Like, I think he's the best at 154 right now. With all the fighters going on as of now.
Couple more questions. What fight are you looking most towards now?
For myself? Man, the Taylor fight. I'll take Barrios, Mario Barrios. I'll take anybody in top 5, top 10 for real, man. Any of those names in top 5, top 10, man. I'm ready for any one of those, man. To be honest with you, I ain't doing no avoiding.
Megan Good or Holly Berry?
I'm going with Holly Berry. I like Megan Good. I'm going with Holly Berry.
Why Holly over Megan?
I gotta go with the Cougar, dog. Something about that Cougar. Something about them Cougars. Straight up.
Oh man, I'm a Megan guy. I'm definitely a Megan guy. I'm a Megan guy.
Yeah, she's fine.
Yeah, man. Jay-Z or Tupac?
I'm gonna go with Jay-Z.
Oh, okay.
I like Jay-Z.
Okay, yeah.
Well, the reason why I go with Jay-Z because he make good music and he's a good businessman at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Tupac made good music. Of course, he at the top with the music, but Jay-Z make good music and he do good business. Like he's a black man that's a good businessman. So it's somebody to look up to outside of the music and more on the business side too. So definitely motivate me every time I, look at Jay-Z.
Man, any last words? Anything you want to add to it? Security.
Man, I want to appreciate y'all for. I want to appreciate y'all for taking the time out to do this interview with me. Appreciate all my supporters, man, because without them it wouldn't be possible. And I want everybody to follow me on Instagram at Darwin Price Jr. Thank y'all for y'all support, and that's about it, man. Tune in August 24th. August
24th on FS1, man. On the Brandon Figueroa undercard. I'm gonna remind people next week to follow you and watch you, and I'll even do a post-fight review on you so people can get acclimated to your name. You know what I mean? And we appreciate you, man, coming in, and good luck, man. Get your 8th knockout. That'll be a late birthday present. Enjoy your birthday. You can't eat too much, but you know what I mean. You don't want that kind of cake anyway. You want the other kind of cake anyway, so you good.
I want the other cake.
Go get it. Go get it, King.
Take care, man.
All right. Appreciate you, man.
Alrighty.
All right. All the time.